Bacolod Masskara number 5.
Judel Mike Maurice Leanda, 23, your Miss Bacolod Masskara number 6.
City Agnes Valencia, 21, your Miss Bacolod Masskara number 7.
A Bacolod talent who will also be performing, featuring the songs of these amazing talents, SB19, TJ Monterde, and BGYO. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, Bacolod City, I give you the Oceans Cheer Dance Squad. perform dito in the City of Smiles in Super City Bacolod. Once more, SB19, TJ Monterde, and BJYO.
Please, please, don't prove I'm right. Please, 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 don't bring me in tears when I just said my makeup's so nice. Heartbreak is one thing, my income's another. I beg you don't embarrass me. Please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Please, 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 don't make me in tears when I just said my makeup's so nice. It's so sweet, I guess so. Saying it's sweet, baby, I know. That's the espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh. So you get lightning to know. Take a sleep, baby, I know. That's the espresso. Think about me every night, oh. It's so sweet, I guess so. Take it sweet, baby, I know. Just let me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh. To feel lightning to know. Take it sweet, baby, I know. Just let me espresso. I can't relate to desperation. Not give a fuck. I'm on vacation, and I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling. When he act this way, I know I got him. Ella Gozen, 24. Your Miss Bacolod Masskara number 1. Queenie Jimenez Kwan, 24. Your Miss Bacolod Masskara number 2. Sophia KB Zaragoza, 18. Your Miss Bacolod Masskara number 3.
Delta Guan C. Tenero, 20, your Miss Bacolod Masskara number 4.
Princess Ala Alminaza Almilia, 22. Your Miss Bacolod Masskara number 5.
Judel Mike Maurice Leanda, 23, your Miss Bacolod Masskara number 6.
City Agnes Valencia, 21. Your Miss Bacolod Masskara number 7.
Too bad you have some too bad. Walking in the front too bad. Jumping in the front too bad. I got a mountain too bad. But in the bathroom, I'm touching out brand new fire.
right, oh. So she looked like Nintendo. Said me sleep, baby, I know. That's the new espresso. I'm working late, 'cause I'm a singer. It looks so cute, right off my finger. My twisted, you know. Have you watched some all day? My honeybee, come and get this ballin'. I guess so.
Beatricia L. De La Peña, your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 8.
Mary Eloy Simpson, your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 9.
Giselle May Sullivan, 23, your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 10. Queen Marcon Lopez, 22, your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 11.
Jasmine Mahilong, 20, your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 12. And Marie Aguilar, 24, your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 13.
Kyla Jane Delarma, 22, your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 14.
Acacia Nicole Marine, 18, Miss Bacolod Mascara number 15.
I guess so. I guess so. I guess so. Too bad we have some too fair. Walking in different crew fair. Talking in a perfume fair. I got a mountain too fair. One drink of beat that brew fair. One touch and a brand new fair. Now he's think about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. Take his sleep, baby, I know. It's gonna be espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh. It's a little I need to know. Take his sleep, baby, I know. It's gonna be espresso. Think about me every night, oh. Isn't that sweet? I guess so. Take his sleep, baby, I know. That's gonna be espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh. It's a little I need to know. Take his sleep, baby, I know. That's gonna be espresso. Think about me every night, oh. Isn't that sweet? I guess so. Take his sleep, baby, I know. Isn't that sweet espresso? Move it up, down, left, right, oh. It's a good light makes you know. Take his sleep, baby, I know. That's gonna be espresso. Isn't that sweet? I guess so. That's gonna be espresso.
Once again, let's give it up for the 15 candidates vying for the title of this year's Miss Bacolod Mascara. Super City Bacolod! Let's light up the stage once more as we welcome back our talented performers for the curtain call. Our Masskara dancers from Barangay Sumag, Barangay Tagum, and Barangay Granada. Drag queens, Mardi Gras, cosplayers, electronic divas, Bida ng Barangay, and Miss Bacolod Masskara!
be one was the sound of the city.
And this time it will be bigger and brighter. Our 45th milestone. These words of the people. These beat of their heart. These thoughts on the faces. It's about to start. Para makatukita. Yes, it's a beautiful life in the city of stars.
Let's welcome on stage our chairperson for the Masskara Festival, Mr. Georgie Dingkong!
Anyway, before we go on, I'd like to acknowledge also the arrival of our Mayor, Albi Benitez. Mabatian niya siya dugay-dugay. In behalf of Bacolod Youth Foundation, I'd like to mention our festival directors, Katie Matiling, Custer Kadagat, and Jericho Regil. Hindi lang kami grupo, ni kami nagtindog sa Masskara, led by our Mayor. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome on stage our pinalangga nga Mayor, our super Mayor, our super city mayor, ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Mr. Albi Benitez, the man who changed the face of Bacolod into a super city. Here he is, Mayor Albi Benitez.
Thank you. This will not be possible without, of course, ang ato mga kaupod sa Bacolod City Government. May I call Congressman Greg Gasataya to come up? Dali na diyan. Ako lang di ang makitan. And ang ato mga councilors, Councilor Cindy, Councilor Vladi, well, ang mga councilors, please come up on stage and greet ang aton mga lantaw subong sa opening natin or ang salubong sa aton Masskara Festival. Pala nyo, Masskara Festival was the very first festival right after COVID nga nagkimo sa pinakadako, pinakasadya nga festival. That was 2022, no? Sa ginhimo ta. And since then, ang Masskara Festival became the choice festival to go to diri sa bilog nga Pilipinas. And I'm happy to announce and I'm happy to say na over the next ang nagligad nga mga tatlo ka Masskara Festival, I think the 2024 Masskara will be one of the most exciting nga aton makita. So, ano pala ni siya? Now, opening pa lang, we have the whole 3 weeks of celebration sa aton Masskara Festival. Hindi lang ni isa ka semana, hindi lang ni isa ka weekend. Tatlo ka weekend, tatlo ka semana full of activities and surprises para sa aton. And sugod na subong, gaabot na ang mga turista, ang mga visitors di sa syudad sa Bacolod. Kay every year, ang pinakadamo visitors nga abot sa aton is the month of October tungod of this festival. So we would like to invite pa ang mga iban to enjoy because this is the first day or opening sa aton Masskara Festival. Damo pagid ang aton nga naka-line up nga mga activities and entertainment. So Bacolod, ready na kamo sa Masskara? Alright, okay. Say a few words, Congress.
Mayong gabi, we would like to welcome all of you and let's give all our efforts because we know that this Masskara Festival, dako-dako ang mabulig sa aton syudad in terms of our economy as well as the entertainment kamatag sa tanan nga pumuluyo sa syudad. Salamat kid, mayong gabi sa tanan-tanan.
Enjoy the 2024 Masskara Festival.
Thank you so much, Mayor Albi Benitez. But Mayor, we want to hear you officially declare the Masskara, the Sapphire Masskara Festival 2024 open. On your count, we are ready.
Sumong na?
Oh, sumong na, Mayor. Ito na ito na. Kaya mo na, Mayor. Let's go.
Ito dami kung lucky number na ni Sumong. It's already 9:59.
All right.
We have a few more seconds. Countdown.
Let's do a countdown. Ready?
Go. Go.
Sige. Ayan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I now declare Masskara Festival open.
Happy Masskara Festival! Hey! Sinadya sa Bacolod!
Bacolod City, City of Smiles, Super City Bacolod. Officially, we have just opened the Sapphire celebration of the Masskara Festival 2024 Celebration.
Once again, everyone, let's give a big round of applause to our very Benitez.
Magandang salamat Mayor Albi Benitez, Congressman Greg Isataya, Vice Mayor Elsie Pamilyaran, kag sa tanan nato mga konsihal, kaupod ang Bacolod Home Foundation Incorporated, headed of course by President Katie Matiling, kag ang atong festival chairperson for the Masskara Festival 2024, Mr. Joji Dingkong.
Once again, everyone, stay tuned. Kay after this, we have December Avenue joining us here on stage.
That's right, Bacolod City! This is your cue that the party begins, because tonight is just day one out of 2-week stretch of celebrating the fun, the smiles, the laughter, and the energy only Super City Bacolod can give. The Masskara Festival 2024.
Yes, everyone, we are giving you more and more. So don't forget, no? When you post, don't forget to use our hashtag #SmileRate, #Love Super City Bacolod, #Masskara Festival 2024.
That's right, and even more. Pagkayo sa pagkata sa ating mga official Facebook pages and watch Bacolod Home Foundation page para sa tanan ng mga actividades, because we expect to see you there, Bacolod.
Everyone, thank you so much for joining us. And once again, madamong salamat to our sponsors for your never-ending support sa aton ng Masskara Festival.
That is right. See you all in all the activities from today all the way to October 27. See you most especially in all of our highlights. Galing Bacolod City is already the Festival of Bacolod! We all deserve to be happy. We all deserve to party.
And of course, while we are waiting for our next performer and enjoying the fireworks display, we would like to once again thank our sponsors. Masskara Festival 2024 is